Hey everyone, Melissa here and welcome back to my channel. Super excited whenever I get a new hip kit in my house. It's a pretty fun day. This arrived earlier in the week, but it is the July 2021 hip kit and it features the exclusive Flourish collection by Kim and Kimberly. The colours are absolutely amazing. It is a summer themed kit and it's just got a really boho vibe to it. So this is the main kit, and as always I'll take you through that first, starting with the papers. Okay, so like I said, everything is exclusive. The quality of the paper is really good. I think someone asked that in the Facebook group, and it's amazing. Will cut really well through your die cutting machine as well. So this one is called Promise, and it's a beautiful circular pattern that you could fussy cut. It's almost like string art, really beautiful. And we've got this geometric pattern on the B side. This one is called Wanda, and I think I just want to fussy cut this and kind of put it back together. And then that's a beautiful geometric on the B side. Got this one called Inspire. I just love the pinks and oranges together. And then a subtle pattern that would look lovely as a background. This one is called Mystery. It's like a doily kind of pattern. Almost a tie-dyed look. A mixed media type look. And then this beautiful pattern on the other side. Then this beautiful I was going to say paisley, but it's not paisley. It's called True Essence, and it's really pretty. And then this pattern, which would also make a good background. Then we have this one called Freedom. And look at that. Stunning B side. This is why you need to get the pattern paper add-on, so that you have two of everything. This one is called Imagine, and it's beginning to be fussy cut. And then we have this beautiful, like a tile pattern on the B side. This one is called Escape. Almost a 70s vibe to these papers. This also would make a great background. Just really lovely and subtle. Oops. And then this one I absolutely love. It's called Dream. So all those beautiful colours again. And then this also would make a great background. And then this one, this looks like a ceiling pattern or floor pattern called Bohemian. And a beautiful wood grain. So those are the papers. I'm going to pull up one more subtle pattern. Yeah, let's put that there, and then we can look at the embellishments. Okay, so these are puffy titles. I thought they were chipboard, but they're puffy. So they're quite flexible, bendable. Well, not flexible. They're not going to, you can't curl them round things, but they're definitely flexible that way. So great having titles. If you struggle with making titles, then that's going to help you a lot. These beautiful Puffy Alphas with gorgeous detailing. I do love a good unusual alpha, and the colour of this is really pretty too. And then we have some borders. So I wonder if I should take them out and show you. Okay, so these are made of cardstock, so like you would with a border punch, except these have printed detailing on them, so really beautiful. Perfect shapes, and just go with the kit obviously so well. So you could use these as the full length, or you could trim them down. You can have them on like a border on your page, or have them underneath a photo or a group of elements. So that is those. And then we have the Flourish Ephemera. So always a lot in there. I'm not going to take all these out or I'd be here forever. You'll notice that my voice is better. Back to normal. So that's really good. So yeah, summer themed with a boho vibe. And then we have these Acetate Mandalas. Now, these can be used as doilies, basically acetate doilies, so you could feature them or tuck them underneath your layers and have them poking out. So we've got black ones, that's silver, I think, or clear, it's white, and then coloured, kind of different coloured, rainbow coloured ones. So that is the beautiful main kit. Next up we have the Embellishment Kit, and I have to admit I was super excited to see what's in here. So we have wood veneer embellishments with printed patterns on them, and I think you could colour these as well. Maybe with some Distress Oxides or some of the Lindy's Gang Magicals or some of the Shimmers products would work really well that we've had in past kits. And we'll get to the colour kit soon that's got shimmers in it as well. These are stunning butterfly die cuts. I think the stickers, you could turn them into die cuts by sticking them on cardstock and cutting them out if you wanted some to make some dimension with them, and I probably will do that, and I'll show you how to do that. These are just probably my favourite thing in the entire kit. If you know me, you know that I love clear stickers, especially mixed media look stickers like these. So if you struggle with mixed media, or if you struggle with limiting yourself to an area with mixed media, then these are perfect. These are really exciting too. These are called Build a Bloom Pack. So as you can see there, you can put together these blooms. Now you don't have to follow that exactly. In fact, that's probably not everything that's in there. It's showing you how you put them together. And there's even these chipboard sticker buttons to go in the centres. So it's going to be really fun. I love, not only are these products exclusive, but they are different. And I love that Kim and Kimberly just make such an effort to give us things that are different from what's out there. These are chipboard frames. These are a little bit different. They're almost photorealistic with sort of basket woven pieces, or like placemats is what they remind me of. So you get these pieces inside as well as getting the main frames as well. So that's going to be fun to play with. This is the Pocket Life Kit, and if you love extra small embellishments to add to your kits, then this is the kit to get. Or if you do mini albums, cards, obviously Pocket Life, then yeah, it's really exciting, this kit always. These are luggage tags, and I think they're amazing. Someone in the design team, I saw it briefly this week, I can't remember who it was, made a layout with these. I'm not going to take them all out, but they remind me of October Afternoon. That is no longer, but look, these are so realistic. They're just, I mean, not that I've done much traveling, but they just look real. So you can punch out little holes in here. New York City, like airline tickets, baggage tickets. These are incredible. So much work has gone into these. I don't think we're going to see a New Zealand one, but we have got Sydney, Australia there, so that's close. Then we have these beautiful chipboard embellishments. So like the chipboard flare, 2 different sizes. The colours and the icons are just so sweet. We'll save the cards till the end. Chipboard mini phrases in 4 colours. There's even one with a butterfly on there, I think, and a sun and a heart. So we've had these before, but these obviously are suitable for the kit, and the colours and the phrases are perfect for the summer vibes. A mini Puffy Alpha in that beautiful orange. I love that. Puffy stickers, just so gorgeous. Very usable icons. Chipboard mini frames and bits. So photo corners, little frames, rosette, arrows. Oh, yeah, one side journaling kind of spots. Tabs. It's really beautiful. And then the cards. So 3x4s, single-sided. Just place them down so you can see them. Lots of things about summer, and vacation. More of that kind of woven look, boho look. Beautiful floral. These ones are great if you want to, you don't have to use them as the cards, you can use them as layers behind your photo or elements. You can back cut files with them. Great little phrases. You can use them as an accent on your layout. And then we have these ones, which would be good for travelers' notebooks or layouts. I find these great for layouts. These I try to use in my project life. So Yay! New Zealand is there. We're looking like the South Island has been made big. We're still there, so I really appreciate that. July, I'm ready for you. And look how beautiful that is. And then we have these ones. These are great for travelers' notebooks or layouts as well. And also, what I have done is if you want 3x4s, you can actually just line these up and trim them down. So that works well as well. So that is the cards, and don't worry, I'm going to go in and sort these all out, put them away into my little, I have a utensil holder that I place my kits into. Maybe I'll post a photo of that on my Instagram. Oh, we forgot that one. Okay, let's do things a bit out of order. Normally I'd save this to last, but this is the colour kit. Now what I love is that Kimberly makes a real effort to give us a mix of different types of products. So this month we have a clear stamp from Finnabar for Prima. And I'm thinking heat embossing, and then, because that'll, like, if I need some clear embossing ink, embossing powder, because then it would resist the colour. So we've got a Shimmers Vibes in Jenny B Blue. Oops. Whoopsie. Didn't mean to do that. And we have a Shimmers Creamies in Berry Hot. I think I said we had Lindy's Gang. I was wrong. We have Shimmers. And an Inklings and Sunkissed. So the Creamies, I think, might be a flat colour. And then the Inklings are slightly more shiny. So that's going to be really super fun. Right, the pattern paper add-on, I'm not going to go through it. It's another set of the same papers. And then we have, oh, let's move this out of the way actually. And then we have the cardstock add-on, which is great for extra paper. If you love cardstock backgrounds, then you should get this. And also for cutting cut files, layers, making mini albums, cards. It's just really versatile. So you get 2 of everything, and it'll be basil unless I say. So this one is lemonade. This one is called mango. And these go perfectly with the kit, of course. This one is called stream. Yeah, stream. Pinkini, and I always think of Brielle because she loves bikinis. These ones might be American Crafts, the ones that don't have the border strip on them. So that's a beautiful navy. This one is called Turquoise Mist. This one is called Jetstream. And then 2 pieces of white, which I don't know if it's American Crafts or not. Possibly. Yeah, so that is the cardstock kit, and those are the beautiful exclusive July 2021 hip kits. Now, if you're interested in purchasing these kits, the best way to do it is to become a subscriber, because you get a discount on all of the other kits, and you also get exclusive cut files. So if you follow the link in the description box below, it will take you over to the website where you can join the club. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll be back really soon with a process video using this kit.